Alright, I'm pretty much ready to launch my game. I've created all the contents that I needed to create, such as the topics here, the challenges, achievements, and rewards. So the first thing I need to do is ensure that everything is published. So what I can do is check here. Alright, so now it's published, and I'm also making sure that the rest of the project settings are correct. My project privacy is also meant to be public. So what I can do is I can share it a few different ways. If I go to share project, you'll be able to see all of the different options here. First one is to share via URL, in which case there's a game teaser that generates for you. And then you can also share it via Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and all these other options here. Okay, so you can also share it via web link or project code, or you can also embed it if you're, for example, you're putting it on another website as an iframe. Okay, so I'll just show you how it looks for the game teaser first. So if you press here, this will copy the link, and then if you press there, it opens it up in a new window. So you can see that this is your project settings, project image, project title, project description. Then you can also have the option to let your players play the same game either on the Gametize app for Android or Gametize app for Apple. Okay, so I'll just show you how it looks on Player Web. So here's the web portal. You can see that here's your project details. These are my 2 topics. And then if I go inside, these are the challenges. Okay, so if you remember, I configured these 2 challenges to be locked, and they are unlocked upon me completing this standard challenge here. So this is how a challenge will look on our web portal. So you can see that this is the challenge title and challenge description. There's also indicators to show you how often you can do this challenge, in which case I can only do this once. I'll also get 100 points just for completing this challenge. So additionally, you can see as well that I've embedded a YouTube video here, which is our Gametize demo video. So if you're viewing your game on web, you'll see that your embedded content, whatever it may be, will replace the challenge image. So I'm just going to complete this challenge now to show you how the feedback screen will look like. So this is my feedback screen. So you can see that I've actually earned 300 points, not just 100. So if you remember in my last video when I was creating this challenge, I actually configured it so that the first 5 players would receive an extra 200 points. And this is my custom feedback message. And then I've unlocked 2 achievements, Influencer Extraordinaire, as well as Fastest Fingers First. So this is the completion message after I've unlocked the achievement. I was one of the first 5 players to complete a challenge in this particular topic. So if I go back, I'll be able to see that I've unlocked new content, which are these 2 challenges here. So I took some time just now to get my team to go in and complete more challenges just to show you what it would look like when the game had more activity on it. So you can see here that 5 people have completed the first challenge, and then 2 the second, and then 1 for the third one. So what I can do is I can click into the challenge, show more completions, and then I can actually take a look at who in the game has completed this challenge, as well as how long ago they did it and what they actually said. So what I can do is I can go in and vote. So let's vote for Fires. And then you'll see he has 1 vote now, and I can also comment on it. All right, so you can also go into the activity feed to see the overall activity feed for all challenges in the game. So you can see Leeson completed a photo challenge here, and then this is the photo that she attached. I can also go into the leaderboard and see all time. So it will go up to 10 if there's more than 10 players, and then also show where you are on the leaderboard. So you can see I'm at 300 while Lisa and Fires are leading this month and today. So in this case, everything was done today, so this is looking the same right now. As your game progresses over time, it will look different. For my game, there's also rewards. I can try to get the free coffee voucher now since it's 50 points and I should have enough. All right, so now you can see that there's 99 left. I've successfully redeemed it, and I've got 250 points in my balance. And then I can also say that I've collected this reward. Okay, so additionally, I can click into my profile to see my activity and my profile within the game. So currently I have these 2 achievements. I can click into each achievement and then it'll show me all the achievements that are earnable across the game. You can see that I've already earned 2. There is still one that is locked to me, which is the photographer badge.